So let's say I have a various few parts here we can run. Let's just run this guy. So we hit edit program. You can switch between the classic NC mode, which is just, if you're NC savvy, you can edit your NC code this way, or if you're lazy like I am, you have the option to change cutting conditions. I'll go through all of them here, but change cutting conditions, nest, part layout. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna input our thickness here. I'm gonna choose my cutting condition for 20 gauge galvanized. Let's see, I believe it's 031, no, 039. Use my cutting condition here. I believe it's a 24 by 24 sheet, but it's not imperative because I just laid it down in there. So I'll apply that.
On top of that other piece, though.
Yeah, okay? That's okay. We can position it with the Icast. So
okay.
We can position it anywhere.
It won't tilt it too much.
Nah, no? It'll be okay.
All right. Wow. So.
And there is a so to further detail on that question, yep. All the NSYS equipment is equipped with a tracer, a Z tracer.
Oh, okay.
Meaning you'll any variation in Z, the head will kind of follow. Okay. So you can turn that function off as well.
Okay.
Let's see here.
It doesn't matter in this case.
Yeah, it won't really throw it off too much. So we're base point here. We'll start from the home position, apply that. Multiple part, we'll do one part for now. Condition, you have 10 conditions ranging from etching, E10, fast cutting, all the way to E4, and then for your precise, you have for your precise tolerances, holes, notches, something like that, you would use 1 through 3. So we'll leave it at let's see. I'll show you how to. So you can select the range. Part, right? Yeah, that's our part. I selected the part. You can select from path. You can select from range.
Is that straight out of the CAD drawing?
This is straight out of the CAD drawing. This is a NC file.
Okay.
So you can pull an NC file from your CAD and edit the NC file through this draw mode I specified earlier.
Oh yeah, I saw that on another machine. So yeah.
Yeah. So I'll make the entire drawing E8 condition. And then lastly, we'll use that Icast, which I dearly love. So the Icast will take that, take those parts that I've had, sheets that I've had inside the machine.
Wow.
And I can drag my little part here, and I can numerically change the position. I can add my pitch here. Let's go to 1/4 inch increments, so I can very precisely put if you want to location.
Some things really exactly.
Right, yeah. So you can also rotate. It's a little bit of a. You can also rotate like an iPhone.
Oh, right, yeah.
You can give yourself a numerical input for a rotation.
Okay.
Right. Spacing, if you're doing multiple parts. Another cool thing is let's apply that. You can actually apply even more different parts to your nest with using the Icast system.
On that same remnant sheet.
On that same remnant sheet.
Yeah.
So.
That's an actual photo of it, right? That's an actual video photo of the remnant. And
yeah, this is a still snapshot. This is not a live video, so if you wave your hand in front of the camera, it will not see.
Okay. But nothing's going to change because the doors were closed.
Right.
Yeah.
So I'll go ahead and just delete this one just to ease of time. Let's apply, delete. Oops. I already added it to the sheet. That's fine. So once we're ready, hit process monitor. So that transfers your NC code from your drawing system to run mode. So now we've specified our cutting condition. We've set our G92 to home. And G93 would be the ICAS assisted positioning. So that's where I called out for those parts to be.
Okay.
So now we're ready to run. We'll go ahead, and I have the right nozzle. SPC, I need to switch my nozzle.
Okay.
I can show you how to do that too. That's actually good that we had to do that.